Okay, so in this video, I will show you how to transfer images, videos from your iPhone to your Windows. This method is similar to the airdrop. In airdrop, we transfer stuff from iPhone to iPhone or iPhone to Mac and vice versa. But this method is to transfer the stuff from the iPhone to the Windows on a laptop or PC. Go to your Chrome or Edge or any browser you prefer, and then go to the website snapdrop.net. And then on your iPhone, go to Safari and then go to same website snapdrop.net. Okay, you should see your iPhone avatar in your laptop, and you should see your laptop avatar on your iPhone. So I would like to send a video from my iPhone to the Windows. So on my iPhone, I'm gonna click on the laptop avatar, and then I'm gonna choose something from my library, and then add. Gonna prepare it. Now it's gonna ask me to if I want to accept it to be downloaded on my laptop, so I'm gonna accept and save. And as you see on my laptop now, it's downloaded. You could find it in the downloaded folder, which is right here. Right, that would be it. Thank you for watching.